So here are the examples for Unit 2, Section 2.3. So if you remember from elementary school, you would have either learned bed mass or ped mass when talking about order of operations. They are the exact same thing. The only difference is ped mass uses the word parentheses and bed mass uses the word brackets. They're the exact same thing. Parentheses is just a more mathematical term for a bracket. So today we will be doing order of operations involving powers. So first let's look at addition and subtraction involving powers. On the left we have an addition question. It's 2 squared plus 3 squared. First let's expand the powers. So we have 2 times 2 in brackets plus 3 times 3 in brackets. And you remember from order of operations in bed mass that brackets come before any other operations, so we'll do the operation inside the brackets, which gives us 4 plus 9. Add that together, we get 13. Now, the same thing for subtraction. Expand the powers, do the operation inside the brackets first, and then finish off with subtraction. Multiplication and division of powers. First, let's look at multiplication. We have 2 squared times 3 squared. So again, expand first. And then operation that's inside the brackets comes before multiplication. And then multiply, we get 36. Exact same thing for division. Expand the powers. Operation inside the brackets. Then finish off with division. We get the answer of 9. So let's put it all together. So first let's expand all of our powers. Now let's do all the operations inside of brackets. So we'll do 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 6 times 6, and 2 times 2. Which gives us 4 times 9 minus, in brackets, 36 divided by 4. Now if you remember, from bed mass or ped mass, the brackets come first. So let's do the operation inside the brackets. And again, order of operations, multiplication comes before subtraction. 36 minus 9. And we finish off with our subtraction. We end up with the answer of 27. So word problems and powers. So I have a square pool in my backyard that is 2 meters deep and 4 meters long. Attached to that pool is my circular hot tub, which is 1 meter deep and has a diameter of 3 meters. Every week I must add chlorine to my hot tub and pool. The following equation represents the amount of chlorine that is present for every 1 meter cubed of water. So for the volume of water, this equation here represents how much chlorine will be present. So the equation is the amount of chlorine added in grams divided by the diameter of the hot tub, area of the pool, added by pi because the hot tub is a circle, and then you multiply it by the volume of water, which is 1 meter cubed of water for this equation. The recommended amount of chlorine that I have in my pool and hot tub is about 20 grams per meter cubed of water. So 20 grams for every 1 meter cubed of water. If I added 750 grams of chlorine, what is the concentration of chlorine in my water? Am I close to the recommendations? So first, look at our equation, amount of chlorine added in grams divided by 3 by 4 squared plus pi times 1 meter cubed. So the amount of chlorine I add is 750 grams. Okay, so on the bottom, we are going to expand our only exponent, which is 4 squared. So 4 times 4 is 16. That's where that 16 just came from. So on the bottom now, I have 3 times 16 plus pi times 1. So we calculate that all out. 3 times 16 is 48 plus pi gives us 51.142 times 1 gives us 51.142 meters cubed. And on the top, we still have 750 grams. Do our division now, and we get 14.6 grams per meter cubed. So am I close to the recommendations? I'm close, but I'm not close enough. In fact, I would need over 1,000 grams of chlorine to be close to the recommendations.